Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are all doing well, inshallah. Good news, we have officially finished the syllabus. Yeah, I'm happy. Are you happy too? Of course. So today, bring a piece of paper, write your name, and start a quiz with me. Before we start the quiz, we're going to do a warm-up. We're going to talk about endangered species. If you remember, before the holidays, the short holidays we had planned, we have talked about different endangered species. So today it's just a short exercise. Okay, let's start. What do you have here? Giant panda. Where do you see the panda? Okay, giant panda. Okay, can you see one? Okay, this one. This one would be the giant panda. Okay, crocodile. Where's the crocodile here? Okay. Okay, can you see it? Where's the crocodile? Ah, here, number 10. Alright? Okay, she's too slow. My colleague is too slow. What?
Let's deal.
Okay. Okay, moving on to the table, please. Okay, red wolf. Where is the red wolf here? Red wolf. This is the red wolf. Okay, red wolf. It's a dangerous animal. Okay, black rhinoceros. Black rhinoceros, it would be this one. Usually rhinoceros are gray. The color is gray. This one would be black. Cheetah. Cheetah. Where is it? The fastest animal, okay, on the planet. Then condor. Ah, this one is new. You don't know it. It would be, hold on, this one. And it lives in California. It's an endangered species. Okay. Now what do we have? We have chimpanzee. Where is it? We have chimpanzee and we have gorilla. Okay, what's the difference between the two? Do you know the difference? Okay, this one would be the gorilla and this one would be the chimpanzee. It's bigger, okay, it's stronger, and it's more dangerous. Okay, blue whale, blue whale, blue whale. This one, blue whale. Blue whale are becoming extinct, endangered animals, and we should protect them. Okay, tiger. Of course, everyone knows what a tiger is and look like. Koala, they're so friendly and they sleep all day long. I think they sleep 23 hours per day and then they wake up for 1 hour and eat for 1 hour. Okay, elephant, this one. And koala is this one, see? He loves to hang on a tree and get cozy. Okay, and what do we have else? We have finished, all right. These are endangered species. Now, I hope you're ready. Please take a piece of paper and read with me the text because we have some questions coming up. Alright, read the text and do the activities that follow. California condor. The California condor is a species of North American bird. It lives in the Grand Canyon and western coastal mountains, of California. It's one of the world's longest living birds. It may live up to 50 years, which is incredible. Imagine a bird being able to live up to 50 years. Okay? It's black vulture with bald head. Bald head. See, it doesn't have any hair. It's bald. It doesn't have any hair on his head. Okay? It's around 1.35 meters. It's huge. Can you imagine 1.35 meters? Long, and its weight can reach 9 kilograms, which is not really a lot. It's not a heavy animal, bird, sorry. It feeds on dead animals like pigs, reptile animals who are dead. They eat them, and may travel a lot of kilometers to look for food. Okay, so he has the capacity to fly a lot of kilometers just to get food, no rest. Now, the California condor is one of the most endangered birds. The number of condors is decreasing because of shooting and poisoning. In the 1980s, scientists caught some wild condors and put them at the San Diego Wild Animal Park and the Los Angeles Zoo. By 1992, they freed them, okay, into the wild, into their habitat. The California condor is a significant bird to many Californian Indians. It takes a big role in their traditional myths. Even for some sports in America, if you go to some high schools in the United States, they have football team and stuff like that, and you see the condor on their T-shirt, like a sponsor. Okay. Now, this is your first exercise. Complete the following table with information from the text. Okay. So before I'm going to give you the answers, pause the video and try to complete the table by your own. When you finish, you can play the video again and see the correction with me. Okay, I have prepared mine here. Okay, so what do we have? We have animal, California condor. Species, it's a bird. Yes, bird. A vulture. It's not a mammal. Okay, a koala would be a mammal. Longevity, it means how long this animal can live. Okay, how long or how many years? We said 50 up to 50 years, right? Length, the length. What's the length? We said 1 meter 35. Weight, is it a heavy bird? Is it a heavy bird? No. We said 9 kilograms. Kilograms, not kilo. Kilograms. Okay, I don't have enough space. That's okay. Food, it feeds on dead animals. Excellent. Dead animals. Animals. And I have given you example of my own. That would be pigs or reptiles or etc. Just a piece of advice that I can give you. Before you do any activity, make sure to read the text at least 3 times. We're doing it together. I just read it once. But at home, read the text 3 times. You get the idea stuck on your head, and then moving on to the activities would be easier for you, right? This was for the first one. Okay, let's move on to the next exercise, please. Okay, so read the following statements and write true, false, or not mentioned. What does it mean not mentioned? It means it's not mentioned in the text. We didn't write the idea in the text. The California condor travels a few meters only to look for food. Few meters? In the text they said he can fly a lot of kilometers. So this sentence is false. Okay? This one would be false. California condors nest in hill caves. What does it mean, a nest? I'm a bad drawer, but I'm gonna try my best. This is a nest, and then he laid his eggs here. That would be eggs. Okay, I know. I'm not really good. Okay, so is it mentioned in the text? No, not mentioned. Okay, be careful. Some of the students they may say it's false, but literally it's not mentioned. Okay, the California condor is an endangered species. Yes, true. Okay, right? Is it clear for this exercise? I hope so. Okay, moving on to the next one. Answer the following questions. Why is the California condor endangered? Why? Why is it endangered? So, for the answer, you should look up for the answer in the text, not bring up answers from your own head. Now, just read the text carefully and then take the most important point. Don't try the whole paragraph, okay? It's incorrect. So, why is the California condor endangered? My question starts with a why. So, my answer, obviously, starts with because. Because of what? Because of shooting in the hunt season. Okay, when hunters, they go out and they start hunting and shooting animals down. Okay, so because of shooting or what? Or poisoning. Or poisoning. Poisoning. Okay, sometimes the food that they may eat may be poisonous. Okay. Is the condor an important bird to Californian Indians? Is it? Is it important? My question here starts with to be. So it's a yes or no question. The answer should be yes or no. This one is a WH question. So is the condor an important bird to Californian Indians? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Why it? Because bird is an animal, or a bird, a vulture. Okay, so we replace it with the pronoun it. Is it clear? I hope so. Okay. Find in the text words that are closest in meaning to the following. Eats. In the text, what's the synonym of eat? It would be feed. Yes. Feed. For example, a mother feeds her baby. Many. The synonym would be a lot. A lot. What is the opposite? For example, what's the opposite? It would be few. Right? Now, find in the text words that are opposite in meaning to the following. Increasing. Increasing. Decreasing. For example, the economy is increasing, the country is doing well. The economy is decreasing, people are getting hungry. Okay? So, decreasing. Okay? Domestic. A cat, a bird, a fish can be considered as domestic animals. What's the case for condor? What's the case? Wild. Okay? Wild animal. It would be too cruel to get a condor, if you can get one, as a pet animal, okay? Is it clear for this one? Now, okay, so there are a lot of animals that are menaced of disappearing one day because of hunting, poisoning, or habitat destruction. The koala is one of them. Usually koala are found in Australia. They are found in Australia. Kangaroos too. Write a short composition about it. Use modal verbs can and may. This one we're not going to do it together because you have to do it by yourself. You have this table. You have species. The koala is a mammal. It's considered as a mammal. Its length is 85 centimeters. It weighs 12 kilos. This animal, for example, I'm just giving you the answers orally. This animal can live up to 15 years in the wild. What does it mean, 50 years in the wild? If you get a koala at home, maybe he can live up to 20 or more than that. Maybe here they're talking about security term. Who knows? Place of living, Australia. Food, eucalyptus leaves. And herbivore, yes, of course. Why menaced? Habitat destruction, okay? Especially the fire that occurred in Australia. Prayer with them, inshallah, they're all been safe. Okay, so you're going to do it, and I encourage you to do it. Just write a short composition, about 5 lines or 6 lines, and you can send it into my email. Please do send me your composition. I'm always checking my email. I always check my email, and I haven't received anything yet. Just try to do one homework and send it to me, and I will be happy to correct you. Okay, so we have Emma's 62 Outlook 5. Okay, this is clear? Thank you. Now, I think that's the end of our first quiz. Next time, inshallah, we will do another quiz. Stay tuned, please. It was Miss Emma's with you from Atta School. See you. Take care.